Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm actually going to be doing my first ever makeup tutorial on my channel. And I am going to show you guys how to do the iconic Flashback Mary meme look. So meme day is coming up at my school, and since I've never done anything like this before, I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of like practice it before I do it for the actual day. So that's what I'm doing in this video. So hopefully this goes well and the look turns out good. And without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So first, before I start, I have to pull my hair out of the way. We do not want that getting in the way. I don't have any primer and I didn't really feel like buying it just for this look. So we're gonna skip that step. And the first step is gonna be our foundation. So for this look, I'm using the LA Girls white foundation. I just found this on Amazon and I pretty much overnighted it. And you guys can get this, I think, at CVS, Sephora. Just look for any kind of a white foundation. So this is the exact same one that James used, so I figured this is just what would work best for this look. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and then literally just put this all over my face. Oh my gosh, this literally looks crazy. I cannot believe they actually sell foundation like this. And just because this is such a ghostly look, you guys are gonna have to use a ton of foundation in order to do this. Okay, so I ended up getting a mirror. You guys have to get like super precise, especially along the lips and the eyes. There's actually no eye products for this look, at least that I'm using. So we want our makeup to crease throughout the day. So the foundation and the powder actually goes in between the eyebrow and the eye. So now we're just going to get the area where the headband might have been covering some of our skin. Okay, so this is step 1, foundation. I am done. Moving on to step 2, which is the powder. Okay guys, so for the powder for this look, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder. This is just the thing that I found works best and will just not conflict with the color of our foundation. Okay, so I'm just going to get all of this powder on this sponge and really pack it into our entire face. This is what's going to give it the flashback on camera, so you need a lot of this. Okay guys, so if you were going to try to do this look, be sure to use a ton of powder. You literally want your entire face to be nice and matte, so this look will stay throughout the day and not get too oily. So a ton of setting powder, and preferably use translucent or like white powder. That will just make this even better. Okay, so for my brows, I'm just using this simple e.l.f. deep brown brow pencil. So really, I'm not doing much. I'm not like trimming or doing anything except for filling them in to make them look even fuller. So I'm just gonna take the brow pencil, I don't even know if I'm doing this right, and making the brows look super thick and super dark and filled in. Okay, so I'm happy with the way these brows look. I'm not really going to do anything with the lashes or the lips. I mean, pretty much I already got the main staples of Flashback Mary done, so I will just put on the hat and the sunglasses, and we will do our final Flashback Mary look. Okay guys, so I just try to keep this simple as possible. It's just like for meme day at school. So I just got some basic aviators from Walmart, and then I also just got a black baseball cap from Walmart as well, just to keep this super easy and simple. Thank goodness this is gonna get covered up with this black hat. I will try to tuck all the hair back that I can. Oh my gosh, this looks crazy. And then to complete the Flashback Mary look, I'm going to pop on these aviators. Oh my gosh, these are real, so I literally cannot see anything, so I hope this is looking good. Hi sisters!
You look so good!
Really?
Yes!
Yay! So I think that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, please, please, please subscribe to my channel so you do not miss my videos in the future, and go ahead and ring that bell so you get notifications every time I upload. So thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!